In today's video, we will talk about the limiting beliefs that are preventing you from making a lot of money in Forex trading or any type of trading. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. For free indicators, Forex robots, Forex courses, etc., be sure to see the links in the description box below. Let's talk about limiting beliefs, what they are, why they appear, and how they affect us in trading. So what is a limiting belief? Limiting beliefs are norms that we absorb in our childhood. For example, through the education of our parents, the media, school, etc. We simply believe what we are told, and our subconscious assumes it as something real. Those beliefs are deep inside of us that we don't even question them. Many times, these beliefs are to blame for our failure to achieve our goals, whether it's in trading, business, work, or life in general. For example, some typical limiting beliefs are: you have to work hard to make money. The safest job is to be a civil servant. Success takes time. It costs a lot of money to make money. It is better to buy a flat than to rent it. If someone offers me something for free, it's a scam. In trading, a lot of those limiting beliefs come to mind. We constantly hear that only 5% of investors are successful. We are told that it takes a lot of capital to make money in trading. We end up believing that it is not possible to live off money that you make trading the markets. We are taught that there are big players that control the markets, and they are there to make sure retail traders don't make a cent. I'm sure you know a lot more such beliefs about trading. Everyone's beliefs form their own reality. Until you disassociate yourself from your limiting beliefs, you can never succeed in trading, business, or anything that you want to achieve in life. But how do we eliminate those limiting beliefs? There is a work process called PCM. PCM is initials for possibility, believe achieving any goal is possible. Capacity, believe you are able to achieve this goal. And merit, believe that you deserve to achieve that goal. Therefore, let's assume that your goal is to achieve 50% profitability every year. Some of you right now are thinking only 50%, I already win 100%. Others are already thinking that's impossible. The next step is to take a walk through the 3 pillars: possibility, ability, and merit. Ask yourself questions so that you find the limiting beliefs that are preventing you from achieving that goal. For example, you probably think you do not deserve success in trading, or that it is impossible, but why do you think that way? Maybe it's because you believe you do not have the necessary resources in terms of trading capital, the training, or the skills to succeed in trading. Or maybe because the people close to you don't appreciate what you do and see trading as gambling. Whatever the reason, you must ask yourself questions and find the root of the problem. You must uncover what are the beliefs that are limiting you from seeing the success that others are seeing. The next step is to change those beliefs and create new beliefs. You have to deposit new beliefs in your subconscious until they are part of your reality. This process of change may be more or less long depending on the person or your faith. But it is key to establishing new beliefs that will help us achieve our goals. To really see it, first we have to think about it and believe it. Henry Ford said, "Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right." So it's up to you. If you learned something new in today's video, leave a like on the video and share it with your friends. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Remember to subscribe and visit the links in the description box below. See you in the next video.